Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we will talk about starting your data science journey without writing any code. Yes, you heard it right. Today we will explore no-code AI tools available to work on end-to-end data science pipelines. So let's get started. Are you someone who wanted to explore data science and AI but felt held back because you don't know how to code? Well, no problem. You don't need to be a programmer to leverage the power of AI. And today I'm going to talk about some no-code AI tools like DataRobot, Google AutoML, which has made machine learning and AI accessible to everyone. But before we begin, let's quickly go through what we will be covering in today's video. So first, we'll start with an introduction to what is no-code AI. Then we will talk about why these no-code AI tools are becoming so popular. Then we will go through some top no-code AI tools that you should try. And finally, we'll end with key takeaways. So by the end of this video, you will have clear idea on how to build end-to-end machine learning models using no-code tools. So let's begin with our first section and talk about what actually is no-code AI. Traditional AI involves writing thousands of lines of code to build end-to-end ML pipelines. But with the no-code AI, you can actually load, build, and deploy machine learning models without writing a single line of code. So instead of programming, you actually use drag and drop interfaces, visual workflows, and automated data processing. These systems are developed in such a way that any non-tech professional can also use them without any coding experience. Now, let's move to our second section to understand why no-code AI is becoming so popular. No-code AI has become such a game changer. What traditional AI models can take weeks to develop, no-code AI tools can do it in hours. In terms of skills, no programming is required. So anyone, business owners, students, or marketeers, they can actually use these tools. If we talk about cost effectiveness, you actually don't need a team of data scientists. Also talking about scalability, you can deploy AI solutions in real world application in no time. Now, let's talk about what top no-code AI tools are out there which you can try. DataRobot and Google's AutoML are two of the most popular no-code AI tools available in the market. Both platforms provide a user-friendly interface where you can upload your dataset, select a model for training, and receive performance metrics, all of this without writing a single line of code. But how do they compare? So, DataRobot is best suited for business analytics, primarily designed for structured data like spreadsheets and databases, while Google's AutoML is a more versatile tool supporting images, text, and speech recognition. Now, let's quickly conclude our learnings from today's session. So, you don't need to be a coding expert to use AI. No-code AI tools are making data science accessible to everyone. So, go ahead and try them out. And let me know in the comments which tool excites you the most. Also, if you liked today's video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.